Alright, so we got our projects for the winter. We got that Indy 600 triple and we got a XC 500. This thing was filled with just pine needles, and as you can see down there, it's filled with crap. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, the carbs pulled. Right now we're pumping some gas out of there. We're gonna try pumping some gas out of this other one and see what kind of presence we got in here. The gas cap is busted. It's probably filled with water. It doesn't even smell like gas. It smells like turpentine. Jeez, oh Pete's. Let's see what kind of color we got out of this one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's nasty. Oh boy. Yeah, we gotta pump these out and clean the carbs up. I think this is a 1998 triple. Let's see, what do we got under the hood here? Yeah, she's good and filled. Good and filled. We got the air box. I gotta get the air box for the other one here. The car boots or whatever hooks up down there. Check the reeds. Pull the exhaust valves. We're gonna get this thing all washed up.